Brian Kelly's with me, Chief Executive of the Points Guy, joins me from New York. Brian, we know the US very much got into this earlier. Middle of last year, they started. Omicron took its toll. But we are seeing a global resurgence, with the exception of Southeast Asia and China.
Absolutely. Americans are ready to travel, but we're not going to see our full demand spike back up until the testing requirement to get back into the US is lifted. Right now, a lot of people I know, especially those with kids, say, I just can't go international and risk getting stuck abroad if that test comes back positive.
All right. Now, how are the airlines balancing it? Because they're bringing back capacity. In some cases, we've got over 100% of where they were in 2019. But at the same time, we have Ukraine, the war, and the oil price going up.
Absolutely. You know, they're really just doubling down on domestic. In many routes in the U.S., we now have up to 15% more passengers to places like Cancun and in the Caribbean in general. So the airlines are betting on it, and they're also betting on premium travelers. JetBlue launching their new Mint Studio, and Delta. You know, American Airlines just announced, or they didn't announce, it was leaked, that they have a new premium plane coming. So I think they are seeing past this spell and the return of the business traveler, hopefully later this fall.
Right. Now, that's an interesting aspect, the business traveler. So I suppose as we came out of the pandemic, many of us thought it would be business travel would be down by about 30%, and that loss would be permanent. The day trip to Paris, the Cleveland to Detroit for the day, that sort of thing had gone. Are we getting any visibility on that yet?
You know, the numbers aren't clear because so much of business travel now is mixed with leisure. People are working from abroad. But yeah, certainly the consulting trips, the Monday through Thursday, they are back and happening. Consultants are back on the road, you know, engineers who need to do those factory visits, people in sales. So it's not quite off a cliff like people thought. But I think especially once that testing requirement is lifted, and, you know, I think businesses will feel more comfortable sending people out. But it will come back, but it'll just look a little bit different than what it used to.
Now, if we take a look at the product and the services given, so you've got the Gulf 3, where they pretty much restored all, you know, their fine services. In Europe too, and the US has been slower in doing it. But if you take those three markets, if you like, the Gulf, the Europe, and the US, how do you see international travel breaking up?
Well, I mean, of the Gulf 3, we've seen Etihad come back as a much smaller carrier. But yeah, Emirates and Qatar have obviously remained quite strong, and you know their in-flight product is now back pretty much fully. The U.S. airlines now are almost back to their pre-pandemic service levels in terms of in-cabin. But, you know, until Asia reopens and, you know, business travels back, that's where the airlines are. Yeah, they've got a long way to go to replace the profit. They may have passengers, but they're mostly domestic now.
And finally, getting a bargain. You know, even the low cost and the ULCs are raising prices. And it's not just, Brian, because of oil surcharges or fuel surcharges. Demand, classic economics 101, demand is raising prices.
Absolutely. I mean, it's demand first and foremost. I think also once currently young children can't be vaccinated in the US, but once that authorization is given, I think we'll see even more demand. So in order to get a deal, book now. Because whenever that testing requirement's lifted, we're going to see a shoot up in demand, especially international. And we're projecting at the Points Guy that airfare is going to continue rising steadily into June. It might taper off, but you know, we'll see. But in general, booking last minute is not a smart bet in 2022.